We start with daily chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this. And as we can see, the price dropped quite a lot because we mentioned after that we can look for reversal. And right now we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal. That's mean we're more interested to look for buy. And if we refer to the indicators, one of the indicators showing us the divergence, but the MACD doesn't show us. All right. Anyway, we should know that we're looking for the reversal, but in this situation, most of the charts they have a similar movement. That means the crypto market, most of the chart they following the Bitcoin. And what we want to see whether we can look for the reversal or not, but we don't see the confirmation. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. We try to look for buy, but we start to manage if it's not moving our direction. And right now I want to see whether the price, what I'm looking for, if there is a continuation, we're looking for price to take 0.082. And the best thing is if we see the breakout of this soon, somewhere between 0.082 followed by 0.09 to confirm the reversal. Okay. Anyway, from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we'll take it based on forward chart. Right now, we don't have any trade setup. There was opportunity to look for buy based on 1 hour chart. And whoever get the trade either from this correction or a small flag from here, right now they should move. If they want to keep the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even. As I mentioned, we're looking for the reversal, but we are not going to keep the trade for the long term if it's not moving in our direction. That's why we have to have a management because I mean at least protect our trade if there is the price is drop again. Okay. From now we can look for continuation. If we either we will wait for the flag or deeper correction. If we get, we can take the trade. But as I mentioned, if we get any trade set up, if it's not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade for long term. Okay, for example, if you want to look for trade either as a short flag, the only way is to put our entry above the top. If the price tag, we see there is no continuation because we need to see the continuation as a short move similar to what we get here. Okay, if there is no continuation within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. And even if we get the deeper correction either from here or based on forward chart, we can look for the trade within the correction. And even in that case, if we get any trade set up, if it is not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 4 hours. Somewhere it depends on the situation, between 2 to 4 hours. Okay. And the only things I say right now, whoever get the trade either from this flag or this correction, they should move their stop loss to break even if they wanna keep the trade. And right now, we want to see whether we can the price can enter this soon or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.